I'm here at the Work Truck Show in Indianapolis, and I'm standing in front of a new 2019 Ram 5500 chassis cab. This particular one has a very specific bucket truck upfit that would be applicable to a lot of commercial and fleet customers. One of the things that we've done for 2019 is focus on being the most capable chassis cab. We've done that by a number of different things. First, we started with our powertrain, and we added an 8-speed transmission to our gas engines, which brings capability and efficiency. We moved to the diesel engine and upped our torque to a best-in-class 800 pound-feet of torque. We also took our trucks to the class maximum GVWRs, so our 3500 chassis cab goes up to 14,000 pounds, our 45 up to 16,000. In fact, we go a little bit above that to 16,500 pounds. And then our 5500 goes up to a class maximum 19,500 pounds. We've reduced weight on our new truck with a couple of actions. One was using a compacted graphite iron block on the Cummins diesel engine. That not only saves weight, it makes that engine stronger and quieter. We also use an aluminum hood and a high-strength steel frame. What that means is we've been able to increase our payload. Our max payload now is 12,510 pounds. Our gross combined weight rating maximum last year was 38,500 pounds. This year, it's an amazing 43,000 pounds. That's an increase of 4,500 pounds year over year, and it makes us easily best in class. What that results in from a trailer towing perspective is that we can now tow 35,220 pounds with a Ram 5500 chassis cab. We have a class exclusive electronically disconnecting 4x4 front axle. What that means is when you are not engaged in 4x4, we're going to disconnect the front hubs and the front axle, so you're not using all that spinning inertia consuming fuel. You'll be more fuel efficient because of that. It happens automatically, which means it's gonna happen when you take it out of four-wheel drive. You'll notice the grill on this truck is huge, and we do that to maximize engine cooling. But the active grill shutters allow us to close them off when the maximum cooling's not needed. That improves our diesel engine warm-up times, much like a cold weather cover would when installed, and it also improves aerodynamics. When you look at the new gauge cluster, it becomes a command center. It allows the operator to monitor temperatures, pressures, and other readings with their truck to make sure that they're keeping the operational in an optimal condition. We also are bringing in tire pressure monitoring, tire pressure display for all 6 truck tires, and we'll have optional tire pressure monitoring for trailers. All this information can be used to make sure that this truck is operating safely and efficiently. We're bringing in class exclusive forward collision warning with stop, adaptive cruise control, and innovative features like a 270-degree camera that you can see around the truck and have optimal visibility on crowded work sites. So technology is a big part of making this truck smarter, making it more efficient, and making it ultimately do more for that business and fleet customer. One of the things that's very important in this segment is upfit friendliness, because that goes towards the amount of time it takes to get a vehicle from production to into service. It also means you could save money versus a longer or more intensified upfit. So we've made our chassis cab the most upfit friendly in the marketplace. And there's a couple of ways that you need to look at that. One is from a physical perspective. How does the body fit with the structure of the truck? We have kept our frame rails flat and clean on the top, so there's no interference into the upfit zone. We have standard frame rail spacing, 34 inches, and standard cab to axle measurements, 60, 84, 108, and 120. So standard bodies will universally fit and be installed easily. One of the other things we do from a physical perspective is we keep our diesel DEF tank out of the upfit zone, both the fill and the tank. So it never requires relocation in the upfit portion for the truck. From an electronics perspective, That's a big factor in how these trucks get upfit. For 2019, we're making our vehicle system integration module standard on our chassis cab trucks. And while Ram offers a number of different trim packages across our heavy-duty pickup line and our chassis cabs, this version, the Tradesman version, is the hardest working version that we have. So it's your entry level in terms of cost, but we've invested a lot in still having an appealing, comfortable interior. It's important if you're going to put in long work days that you have comfort and ergonomics to be able to make it through that whole work day. Some of the things that you'll notice in here is that it's very basic yet very sturdy. So we have some harder plastic trim, which is very durable, but you'll notice the design really keeps it appealing to the eye. We have a very basic vinyl floor here, but that's durable. It's also easily cleanable over time, so you can wash this truck out and keep it functioning for you. While all of our trucks have automatic transmissions, this particular truck has a manual transfer case shifter. Again, that's the lower cost, very durable application for this type of truck.